Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock register. A well-maintained stock register is crucial for any business managing physical goods. It acts as a central record, giving you precise control over your inventory. By following these steps, you can establish a robust system to monitor every item, from its arrival to its departure, ensuring you always know exactly what you have on hand and where it is located. To build an effective stock register, you need to capture specific data points for every item. Each entry should clearly identify the product, its unique code, and a brief description. Crucially, record the date of every movement, the exact quantity, and its unit cost. Don't forget to include details about who supplied or received the item and its precise storage location within your facility. Updating your stock register accurately is vital for its integrity. When new stock arrives, record the receipt date, quantity, and cost without delay. Similarly, for every item dispatched, log the date, quantity, and customer information promptly. After each inflow or outflow, recalculate the remaining balance. This continuous, meticulous updating ensures your register always reflects the true inventory count, preventing discrepancies. To ensure your stock register remains a reliable tool, implement a few best practices. Perform physical stock counts regularly, perhaps monthly or quarterly, to cross-reference with your recorded data. Promptly investigate and reconcile any differences found. Establishing clear procedures for all inventory adjustments, like returns or damages, is also essential. A well-maintained register provides invaluable insights, leading to more informed business decisions.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.